Good evening. My name Septantri Sinta Wulandari, Master of Sharia Economy graduate from Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Islamic State University and Indonesian National Sport Committee Banten, Indonesia. Professor Nana Surya Permana and Professor Anis Fauzi and Professor Bambang Dwi Suseno. The title of journal is The Effect of Consumption of Muslim Household Sport Development Officer and Community Sport Organization as Intervening Variable on Islamic Sport Development during the COVID-19 outbreak. Abstract through the development of an empiric model and using community sport organization as the basis for intervening variable. These studies seek to ascertain the impact of Muslim household consumption, sport development officer, and community sport organization on Islamic sport development during the COVID-19 pandemic. All of the sport branch managers in Banten Province make up the students' sample. Non-probability sampling with a purposive sampling strategy was the sampling method employed. Making use of questionnaire to gather that 95 different sheets of data are valuable for analysis. Particle-less score is a tool for technical data analysis or PLS with a statistic value of 71358. The Muslim household consumption construct had a favorable and significant impact on the sport development officer construct with a statistic value 111. The Muslim household consumption construction had a positive but not statistical significant impact on Islamic development sport with a statistic value 392. The Muslim household consumption constructs had a positive and statistical significant impact on community sport organization with a statistic value of 100. The sport development officer construct had a positive and statistically significant impact on Islamic sport development. We can see on this presentation Homani Center Statistic Agency of Banten Province census in 220 9,312,3011 people. It means 7,18,22% of the province total population. We can see at the presentation. So, development of hypothesis. H1 Sport Development Officer is positively and significantly impacted by Muslim household consumption or SDO. And H2 Muslim household consumption has a favorable and considerable impact on the growth of Islamic sport. ESD. So, H3, Muslim household consumption has a positive and significant effect on community sport organization, CSO. H4, Sport Development Officer or SDO has a positive and significant effect on Islamic sport development, ESD. H5, Community Sport Organization, CSO has a positive and significant effect on Islamic sport development. or SDA. H6, Sport Development Officer has a positive and significant effect on the community sport organization. How the method of this journal? We can see for population, the purchasing power of consumer for sporting product, and secondly, the purchasing power of consumer for sports service. The third, the purchasing power of consumer for sport-related apparel, footwear, and higher. And the fourth, the purchasing power of consumer for sport education. And the sample technique analyzing with smart particle least square version 3 to 8, specifically Islamic sport development. And we can result description of the respondent profile. We result the description of the respondent profile. And the second, validity and reliability. We can see the Muslim Hall, how many percent, simple man, original sample, so standard deviation, so test statistic, p-value with hypothesis, confession, original sample, standard error, and test statistic. We can see Muslim household consumption X1 except to sport development officer X2. Muslim household consumption X1 except the sport development officer X2, and Muslim household consumption X1 not except Islamic sport development. So Muslim household consumption X1 except community sport organization X3, sport development officer X2 except Islamic sport development by Y, community sport organization X3 except the Islamic sport development Y, sport development officer X2 except community sport organization X3. Instructor model test, we can see this presentation with outer model. Outer model is with 4, how to with PLS the outer model. And 1, validitas convergent, 2, validitas discriminant, 3, reliabilitas, and 4, R-square. Hypothesis testing analysis. Hypothesis 1, the sport development officer has a positive effect and is significant to Islamic sport development. And hypothesis 2, Muslim household consumption has no significant impact on Islamic sport development. This is based on convinced value of the influence of Muslim household consumption on Islamic sport development. And hypothesis 3, Muslim household consumption has a positive effect and is significant to the community of sport organization. Hypothesis 4, the sport development officer has a positive effect and is significant to Islamic sport development. Hypothesis 5, community sport organization has a positive impact on Islamic sport development. Hypothesis 6 can be conclude that the sport development officer has a positive effect and is significant to the community of sport organization. From discussion, presentation, the finding of the hypothesis are consistent with the finding of the respondent interview, which confirmed that sport development officer can enhance community sport organization as sport has developed into industry that include business activities like the management of sport facilities and factor with the goal of generating profit for stakeholder, the sector itself, and the neighborhood and community athletic organization, community sport organization. Additionally, the participation of sport branch management must not compromise the involvement of other stakeholders, such as the government, the management of Indonesian National Sport Community or KONI. We cite KONI, Community Sport National in Indonesia, or KONI, business people and the general public, in order to increase the achievement to athlete at the national and even international level. And conclusion from this journal, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the behavioral structure of Muslim household consumption, sport development officer, and community support group helped establish Islamic sport in Banten province. The result of this study show that, generally speaking, those who have a significant impact to enhance Islamic sport development in Banten province are to how and who improve the skill of sport management, sport development officer, and maximize participation of the community and sport community organization by taking into account the rule of consumption expenditure of the Muslim household, such as spending on sport equipment, sport-related travel, and other similar expenditure. And thank you for my Professor Nana and Professor Anis from Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin University, Indonesia, and Professor Bambang from Bina Bangsa University.